pretty, it's Jenna J, that's me, the hijabi from TNT, and welcome back to my channel. I'm all super excited today's video because I'm going to be making curry duck. Now we in Trinidad here love a curry duck, especially by the river, a beach line, a weekend. Curry duck is something you must have ever so often. So for my curry duck recipe, I'm going to be using JGM Products hot curry. Yes, there is curry from JGM Products in all different spiciness or levels of hotness. So they've got a light curry, they've got a medium hot curry, and they've got a hot curry that I'm going to be using in my recipe today. I'm also going to be using the roasted jeera from them and also the achar masala. Now they don't come in these bottles, but you can purchase these bottles and you can just refill them ever so often, put a label on it. That's what I did, and it comes in very handy. So you need to try out the curry line from JGM Products. If it's not available at the supermarket you shop at, send me a message, I'll direct it to JGM, and of course let them know, and you'll be seeing it on the shelves soon. But be sure to ask for it, be sure to try it, be sure to use it. You will be pleased, I guarantee. Alright, so this is the duck. It's one whole duck that I had them cut into small pieces, and to this it's just a matter of adding some green seasoning, some curry powder, jeera, achar masala, and I'm adding some meat tenderizer to it as well, and this is what we're going to refrigerate. So for this recipe, my curry duck recipe, I'm going to be using JGM Products medium hot madras curry, and I am also adding a little bit of the JGM Products roasted jeera, and I'm also going to put a pinch of the achar masala. I'm also going to be adding some green seasoning and some meat tenderizer. Just going to mix it up, and I'm going to let this marinate overnight. Now, if you can't leave it for so long, that's okay. Just try to leave it for a couple of hours, or at least an hour. And this is our duck that we are going to be using tomorrow. So just to go through the ingredients, I'm going in with the JGM Products hot curry today, using a little bit of jeera, some achar masala. We cannot forget the carapule leaves or the curry leaves. We got some onions, pepper, and some pimento, and I've got my seasoned duck here ready to be cooked. So I have my oil heating in the pot. It's just about a tablespoon of coconut oil I'm using. I'm going to be adding in my onions, pimentos, and peppers. Mixture of curry powder, achar masala, and jeera. And a couple of my carapule leaves. Now you want to toast the curry a bit. Add a little water. It's on low to make sure that the curry powder and the leaves, they don't burn. Keep stirring it. You want the curry to get a nice darkish color. To this, I'm going to be adding my seasoned duck. Stir it up, get that nice curry paste, get all the meat coated with that. Now I'm just going to cover it for 2 minutes. Now I'm going to add my coconut milk. And some water. Now the heat is on medium. I'm going to cover it and I'm going to let it cook through. Now duck will take about 30 to 40 minutes depending on how soft you like your duck. I like to get mine soft, so I season it with the meat tenderizer, so it should be fine. Alright, so 10 minutes into cooking, let's check it, see what it looks like. Looks pretty good. I'm gonna leave the cover off and let it continue cooking. You want to cook it through until the duck is nice and soft and most of the water is evaporated. Now when you're cooking curry, you ever see this? You guys familiar with this? This is what they call carapule leaves or curry leaves. Now it adds real flavor to your curry dish, and most times, like those of you know long time real curry dishes, this is one of the things that they add, as well as the meaty. I didn't have meaty today to use, but add some of these curry leaves and the meaty and you get that extra flavor, curry flavor to your dish. Now you'd usually just fry these up in the oil when you put the curry powder mixture and the onions and stuff. You add these as well, mix it all up like you just saw earlier, and it's that pretty simple to use. Nothing else to do with it, but just add them to the pot. 25 minutes in, and this is what it is looking like. At some point in time, you can give it a little taste to see exactly how soft it is. We leave it, let a little more water dry down from it, and then we'll taste it out to see if we need to continue cooking it or if we need to add more water to it. Alright, so it's about 40 minutes cooking, and now at this point what I'm going to do is taste the piece. See if you can get a little piece to taste. Alright, so let's taste it. See, oh, it's hot. It's perfect, just need a little more salted. It's soft already, and that would have been the meat tenderizer that I would have added to the when I seasoned it. I actually left this overnight, and if at this point though it is not as soft and you want it soft, to speed it up, instead of adding more water and seasoning etc., you can just throw it in the pressure cooker and pressure it for a few minutes, and it will actually soften it up a lot faster. But this is perfect. I need a little more pepper in it. We're going to add a little more salt, and normally what you could do, what I like to do too, is add some green seasoning right when I am about to finish the cooking the dish. So I'm going to just throw in a little green seasoning there, add a whole hot pepper there. I put a whole hot pepper before, but not hot enough. I like curry duck, it must be peppery. Tasting the coconut milk in it, good to go. So this is what the final product looks like. So total cook time was about between 45 and 50 minutes. I let most of the water dry down. Added some green seasoning to the end of it. And this is what it looks like. It smells delicious. Okay, so that is it. That was my curry duck recipe, my curry duck video. I hope you enjoyed it. I just love to see different variations of cooking methods. I was on YouTube ever so on YouTube ever so often, looking at all these different cooking shows, you know, Taste the Trinidad, Trini Cooking 19, Eat a Food. You guys are amazing. All these ladies in the kitchen, all these different methods of cooking the same dish, it just blows me away. That just goes to show you that, you know, you have so much variety, so much diversity here in Trinidad. Just a simple thing as cooking the same dish, so much different flavors, so much different ways to do it, go about it. So as always, it's all up to you, your preferences. This is my version. I hope you did like the video. Please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with all your friends and your family. If you did like it, try it with your recipe. Send me pictures, send me your feedback as well. Just remember, some of the key ingredients in a good curry duck for me is the coconut milk and that green seasoning. Don't forget, you have to use the best of the best curry, JGM Products as well. Some people don't include the coconut milk in it. That's okay, but I just say curry duck, and curry in general I think tastes so much richer with the coconut milk in it. So thanks so much for watching, guys, and look out for more videos to come.